Welcome to another tutorial on using categories and tags in your courses. Categories and tags help organize your course content, making it easier to navigate. To create a category, go to Category page from the Academy LMS dashboard. You get to name your category, add slacks, choose a parent category, and even add descriptions. Very easy, right? Similar to category, you can create tags as well from the tags settings below category. Tags are more specific labels that you can assign to individual lesson or units. You get to add categories and tags in your courses by simply editing them. Use categories for broad topics and tags for finer details. You can even create new categories or tags from the course taxonomy inside the course editor. They work like keywords, helping to further organize and search content. Multiple categories and tags can be added, but be sure keep categories and tags consistent throughout your course. Regularly review and update them match your content. And that's it. Now you know how to effectively use categories and tags in your course. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to stay with us for more tutorials.